thief of joy. Those were words spoken by Teddy Roosevelt, and they still ring true today. You see, when you start to compare yourself to others, what you are doing is inviting feelings of, I am not enough. Hi, my name is Audrey Weidman, and I'm a stress transformation coach. I became one because I needed to for myself. And back in late 2016, I was doing some yard work when I all of a sudden became dizzy. And then later that changed into some chest pain, which I thought might have been from working out in the garden or the yoga class the day before. But 2 days later, I went in for my annual checkup and I discovered that I had had a heart attack. And this shook me to my core because you see, I was a health coach. I played tennis, I did yoga. It wasn't supposed to happen to me. After a little bit of self-reflection though, I realized I had done it to myself. Even though I took care of my body, I wasn't taking care of what was going on between the ears. And so once I realized that, I started on a new path. I learned to meditate. That was my first step. And then I got a number of other certifications. And I can say that I am the boss of my own brain most of the time. Not perfect, but most of the time. And what I've learned, I want to share with you, because you know and I know that stress is the other pandemic. And so what I would like to do is leave you with this one tip to get you started. And that would be to write down 5 things that you love about yourself. Little things, little observations, and make sure that every day it's something different, something unique. Because there's so many facets of you that are lovable, and you need to recognize that. You see, in doing that, you're firing new neural networks that will eventually take the place of those feelings of I am not enough, those negative self-talk things that you've been doing. And so I believe in a higher power, and I don't believe that God makes mistakes. He created you. There's only one of you. You are a snowflake. You are unique. You are a rock star waiting to get into your full potential. And I invite you to do that by practicing these simple techniques.